Laura loved her crayons more than anything. Each crayon had a unique personality. Bold red was confident, sunshine yellow always cheerful, and cool blue loved to relax. One rainy afternoon, Laura opened her crayon box and whispered, "Let's go on an adventure." With her first stroke of bold red, a magical door appeared on her paper. Stepping through, she found herself in Colorland, a world where each crayon's color created magic. Sunshine yellow greeted her with a glowing sun. "Welcome, Laura! We need your help." The colors in Colorland were fading because cloudy gray had stolen the sparkle. Laura teamed up with her crayons to restore the magic. Bold red painted a rainbow path, cool blue calmed a rushing river, and sunshine yellow lit the way to cloudy gray's cave. "Why are you hiding the colors?" Laura asked kindly. Cloudy Gray sighed. "I just wanted to be part of the fun." Laura smiled, handing Cloudy Gray a piece of paper. "You can be. Let's create together." Gray painted stormy clouds, bringing fresh rain and making the colors shine brighter. Returning home, her crayons whispered, "Thanks for bringing us together, Laura. You're the real artist of adventure." Laura beamed, starting her next drawing. The possibilities were endless.